Jordana. Beautiful Jordana. Ma'am, our service is good?
It's perfect.
Yes, our service called Philippine Lamborghini with natural aircon. Yes, my guest from what country?
Jordan.
Yes. Thank you for opportunity you gave me for today. Can you said, ma'am, all good in the hood?
All good in the hood.
Hey, gano'n ba? Shout out to Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
So yun, habang nagtutur pala kami, sobrang init. Tas kinahapunan, uulan. So ma'am, this place, for me, it's called like desert. It's very hot. There's no trees over here. Pampauto check. Sheesh. Pampauto. Some flowers for you.
Oh, thank you.
You can put it in your ear. Yeah. Beautiful Latina. Right, Latin? No.
Latina.
I'm sorry.
Jordana.
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 Beautiful Jordana. You just sit here and that's your background. Just sit here. Yes. Oh, naglolo ko ha. Ready? Wait. I need to... Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Where's your your flower?
Oh, it's gone.
It's gone. New side view. Yeah, like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Borrow at least look like that. Very good. So yun, nasa loob pala kami ng Port Santiago niyan. Habang nakaupo pala ako, inaantay ko si ma'am dahil namimili siya ng souvenir. Pasalubong niya raw sa mga kabarkada niya. Let's go! Got your head, Lamborghini is Filipino size.
It is Lamborghini.
And ma'am, by the way, what's your name?
Folds.
Paul. So I hope you enjoy our tour.
I did.
Yes. Good photography?
Very good photographer.
If you rate it 1 out of 10.
11 from 10.
Well, thank you very much, ma'am. I hope you enjoy it. That said, all good in the hood.
All good in the hood?
Yeah. So yun, sa wakas natapos din yung tour namin ni ma'am. All goods in the hood. So nag-aantay na lang kami ngayon ng grab car. Make sure that you didn't forget anything. So we are already good.
You are good. Thank you so much.
Yes. Ma'am, again.
Justin Bieber.
I hold your can. So it can Oh, that's your car?
I don't know.
Come on. Ma'am, goodbye. Thank you for everything.
If you did a video, tag me.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.